But you see me saying, man, I don't want to soft soap or go walk over. You feel like you can.
Hold on. How you are talking?
A fool don't take man for a brother. I mean, man not even say, yo, a matter of fact, just watch what I want. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure say you subscribe and head on over to the website richardbrownfilms.com.
He's on the man want you.
So babes on care babes.
No touch me, man. I don't have nothing to say to you. I tell you this from last night. What you antagonize me for?
Babes, I understand say last night me never pull out. You see? But you know mean say you have to beg me because of that. You understand say we're not ready for no picnic yet. But your father I talk about their work and I talk to him friend them how you want grand picnic. So you know say last night that did in my head. And that's one of the reasons why I'm not really get people out too.
May I try to see your point? You have no point. And do I look like a child to you? Do I look like a child? You never pull out and you do it deliberately. And when my father money have to do with you, you have to have your own. You have to think about your own. Where you sing power my father have for. You keep on. This is not the first time you talk about
Babes,
what my father have.
Nobody make it sound, so man. Nobody make it
But
sound.
that's so it sounds.
No, the thing is, the man want grand picnic and him willing to spend the money and so what wrong with it me?
Not ready. Finna pick me yet. I've told you this many times before. Me not think about it and you deliberately come and move no man.
Samantha, calm down. Just calm down. We can get over this together. Yeah? And nothing me don't feel like nothing will happen. I just want to look one time.
Of course we can get through this. You know what you are gonna do? You're gonna find your ass down at the pharmacy before you go work. Get me a plan B and come back here so. I'm never say if we go get the pill them and go work. Get the pill and come back here so. I'm not laughing.
Babes, look now. Just calm down. You don't have to be so salty, man. Me can't carry come and me come from work because you know me and your father no plan pizza line.
This not work. I say get the pill and bring it come back. Because after 72 hours it not no use now. I need it. Today me I take that. Me not plan nothing. Me no want no picnic now. So if it can't screw in your head, me go do what me need for do for protect myself from you. Because you yourself a plan for your family.
Alright, Samantha. Everything alright.
Yeah, everything alright. Go get my pill.
Candy!
Oi!
Forward, I want to chat to you about something.
May I come?
Boy, I may have one little news to tell you. You know what I know, sir, down in a town me just a come from. I see one Andre him. I come from pharmacy with morning after pill. I know say enough is Samantha it.
What you try to say?
But me I try to say me feel like Andre give Samantha bun. Because you know long Samantha want have pick me. So me know say Samantha nay not take no morning after. I must I must want next girl in my buy for.
Why you don't really think something like that? Eh?
Because me know say Samantha now go take no morning after and fear for say Samantha and we are cousin. And Andre go burn him. We have to make him know.
You see where you gone? You want go in night two people them life. If you go cause problem, you sure of what you talk about? Oh, you know say I don't want to feel bridging begging bite. You sure say the morning after pill is for Andre?
Listen man, me no idiot. No man not buy that for no friend. Nobody not buy for nobody. I must want girl in buy for when man have sex with. And man we cousin there and the whole long and man have sex with next girl without condom. We cousin for need to know them are sitting here.
Leave judges unto God. All I judges them. Leave them to God. You are judge him wrongfully. Maybe you're correct. Maybe you're wrong. Me no want catch in that the party. All when we and Samantha family. Me no want put myself in a no bangarang. Look more see him go say, and me and you tell her say, him and the game bun. You know see where you put yourself in?
Candy.
Make Samantha find out a relationship
Listen,
problem
man,
for herself.
there is no way me can sit like that with me eye. And you go tell me say, I know so you go. And me see it with me two eye them. Say that way you say me an idiot.
Did you saw Andre with a girl?
Me not have to see him with woman, me see him with the morning after. And him out take morning after.
Man not take that.
Exactly,
A woman take it.
exactly.
But all you know say, I know Samantha get pregnant. And you know, but I want to pick me with her or whatever. Me no know, me just ask her one question.
Listen man, are we cousin? We not you don't think so we know we cousin? We don't know we cousin? She not take no
Are
morning
we
after.
cousin, but we not have to know her more than her man. What she will tell her man, she not go tell we. And where her man will tell she, him not go tell we. Why you want to put yourself in a them the problem there? You know
Tell me
what?
now, let me ask you a question. You don't want me see your man I do sitting out here where you know if you do, I'm not tell you.
I know that. I know that. See him and don't tell me. Samantha different from me.
Why, I tell you. You see how you stand.
Samantha different from me. Samantha, you know you have some woman, you will take time and pinch them and tell them and say, don't tell your man, say me tell you, and then go back and tell him. And then you and them in a problem and you know say Samantha stay so. Not because of
Yeah, but me
you
just
know
ask
her
you, me
mouth
just
and not
ask you a question, you know. Say if you don't want me see your man I do sitting and me not come
and me
tell
go
you.
repeat back what me say. I know that. I know that you do. See me man there with one girl and don't come tell me you see for me or you. Can you see? Why
Well-
you don't want to tell me? Remember say me is not Samantha.
Well, me feel so what you like for yourself, you feel like if you other people too.
No.
So same like how you don't want me tell you, me should and can tell Samantha too.
We should can tell her if she can keep her mouth. And that me they try to tell you. She are one of the type of woman, you pinch her and tell her something about her man and say, do me the beg you, don't call me name because me no want no problem. And before the cock crow, before the light out, he go tell.
Listen, if
and
you
call up your name.
listen, if you don't want
You
to
want go and
involve,
mix up?
you don't have to involve, but me know say, me I go tell Samantha.
Okay.
Say my bun him.
Okay, you act like you don't understand what I say. One go tell her, say her man they give her bun. You see when you get in a problem, in the name of Jesus don't come back.
Alright, next time me hear or see nothing, me not come tell you because here you go tell me say, me I go make sure say
Oh,
me.
so something bad me I tell you. Okay. Alright, you know what? Go and go tell Samantha and put yourself in a trouble, but no come call me in there. Because
When-
me did warn you. And that, no, God knows you really call me around and so if you come put me in a mix of me and you can use to Samantha through our cousin.
Me never tell you say
You know, nothing in your yard for do. Want to feel woman, you mind your cousin business, you know? And yard me did a rake up, you waste me time and me I go somewhere. You alright?
Alright, look at more.
Hey!
Welcome, brother.
There man. So here's your
Alright, sir. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man. This one is called the reggae jamming.
Alright, man.
Yeah, man.
Strong it.
Yeah, it's strong, man. It has some white rum in it. So that's white rum and cranberry.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man.
Birthday treat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Pat. So when you finish that shot, the next shot is on me, alright? Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, respect. Yeah, man. Hello, what you guys doing? You okay?
Yeah, man. Good,
Yeah, man.
good,
Congrats, congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Big up. Here's a birthday.
Thank you.
All right, nice. I want to have a ready to write of it, please. Okay? All right. Listen.
What you say, boss?
Well, man, I didn't want to talk to you, but not in front of the guests, them, man. And so forth. But I really have to say to you, man, something I talk to you about all the time. I watch you, I watch you for you pour the liquor give the people them. I'm tired to talk to you about it. You understand? You're supposed to be protecting the company. You're pouring the alcohol in the thing. It's just like you give the people them the raw thing. You don't want it down.
Sir, we never learn, they never teach me at the art school, so if it water down and give nobody. I'm just work me I do, and all inclusive.
You're there too long, and if you know them stuff that my youth, you have to learn how to protect the company.
The guests they say they want a double shot. Because our birthday too, and they say they want a double shot. So I don't like say me I don't know how to way.
Apart from that, it's something I see you do all the time, and a long time. You figure something. Look here, man. You see, anyhow you wasn't involved with my daughter. I tell you a long time, you're going and you're gone through that gate there. Because you're not working to protect us, man. Eh?
Sir, with all due respect, I don't know if we try to bring down a company, you know. I just my work me I do. And I take pride in doing my work. And I never learn to shortcut no what I do, sir. So if me I give them too much rum, maybe I can cut back a little bit on the rum still, but because I saw few things said, I can't go around that. You understand? And then with the daughter again too. I should even have no conversation about your daughter because of your daughter. Certain conversation me ain't not supposed to have about your daughter. Because your daughter a big girl and you see me I say?
Yeah, but when I say just use it for common sense. Just use it for common sense, man. That is all I'm asking from you.
Common sense.
Use it for common sense, man. I mean, why am I telling you, you are getting into this business or whatever, you now move right. You have to think. You have to think.
Yeah, man.
You can't just give way.
I know people don't have common sense for sure, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man, I'm fair.
Yeah, boy, nah, man, no boy.
So,
Yeah, go on it, dog.
yeah, brother. That one.
I was saying I told them I go match up forward.
School, man. I go on. The right thing, I go on.
Yeah, go on,
Is
good
it?
boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, good man. I right thing I do, you know, because watch you know, when you build house, you have to build house rent out the back.
So, man, I man.
Because you pitting them now, can't live a say, them I come build for them own house.
Said
So you have to build it for rent out because
So,
people
so.
want place to live.
So,
And you can't, nobody no want to go live in a like a folk up there by government and NHP and them.
I'm not joke, man. I'm not joke, man. A straight government work and I rent out or someone, is it? It's a chop me there, so I wait upon still some ply, because veranda, want to finish deck it off, finish up the lintel, and then move on to the belting.
Alright, thing, man. Alright, thing, man.
Yeah. Hold on. Hello? Oh, yeah, man. I can't move on now because I wait for hand chuck. Alright, yeah, man. I ask one of my brethren to deal it for me. Alright, yeah. Alright, you go on, brother. Can you make something for me?
Simple
Please.
thing, anything, bro.
My Samuel's hardware. Some material. I have a link down there when I normally do certain things to me. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Nadine, she name. Oh, you go down there, ask her Nadine, and give her this.
Oh, bro, Nadine.
Bro, Nadine, yeah.
Nadine can't hide, man.
If you say Nadine, just ask her Tara.
Tara.
Yeah.
Alright.
I one link said you down there, you know. Alright.
A simple thing now.
I watch this a few.
Bro, you
Brother.
don't make anything different.
Just, alright. This a few. Buy your drinks. Buy your drinks.
Simple thing that one.
Buy your drink, man. I used to deal with, you know, so them rate good too, you know.
Say them account yet.
We have to check it off back, you know. You understand what I say?
Well,
Yeah.
just by your count, you know, I now count you again.
No, you know, no, this is just for my purpose. Because I must say, you're general, you know, man. I respect you for your being.
Okay, this okay.
Alright, yeah.
Right away.
He has 2 tons of steel and some cement and whatever. She know what you think already.
Alright, yeah, nice.
Yeah, man, me talk to her already.
Alright.
As I say, if you know, say Nadine, ask to Tara. See?
Alright. As I say, yo, I'm so forward, you know.
Do the right thing.
If
See me?
you say if
Yeah, my
mom's
number. Say it.
I have your number, brother.
Call me.
If mom's come, just tell her I'm gone on the road.
Alright. Respect, yeah.
Yeah.
Up my G.
Yo, Andre, what on?
Oh,
Forward,
want
come
it.
on, man.
yeah, go on it.
There, man. Come on, man. Give her a reason. You know, so today my birthday, my dog.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Today my birthday.
No, you know, say, yeah, what? What we season this? Scorpio.
Yeah, man.
Scorpios.
Yeah, man. My birthday, man. We are chat about, man.
Bless up on your birthday, man. I don't know where you're going on, man.
Alright, sorry, yo. But I look at things still, because you know, so I'm not strong for my birthday, and even not one drink, but I want whole, you see me?
Why? I was not supposed to say that. Probably can get 1,000 still. Not supposed to say, I tell a lie. I some business. I come in a town if you come do, you see me? Because I don't really, I know money. You understand?
Yo, just sitting better on this, man. $1,000, brother.
Bro, I tell you about sit there. Some receipt me got deal with.
Alright, no say a word, man. Everything good.
Let's up yourself on your strong man. I don't know where you're going on, man. I want more year, you know.
I'm like a stocky in tech, man, fam. $1,000 money. Oh, Jay, you that man?
Pretty, bro.
Yeah, man.
Thing good?
Yeah, man. One girl could reason, man.
Hold on, my wife pass. Tie glass up. Gun wait have to clean, you know. Yeah, I say, we're there.
Yo, tell
Talk to me now.
Tell me how this son.
Yeah,
You know, say, for my cousin there with Andre, though.
that's Samantha.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Today my birthday, see?
Mm.
And I want to know some see man down in a town with a Kyle of money. I mean, I show you dance, you know, my birthday, give me a thing, no, man. And the man look for me and give me $1,000 out of Kyle of money, you know. Tell me if the man no fussy, dog. Eh?
Oh, yeah, said to me.
Brother, that the
Yeah.
man that ever move like he not have money and the man have money, brother.
Oh, yeah, said to me.
The man have money, dog. I will tell the man work, you know. And I US me all see all the man take out. So I know say I must tourists and get that from.
Yeah, sure, I feel him. You see, I don't know.
Brother.
'Cause
Man, that-
perception is a thing still. I know I just assess still, you see it?
Some man that general dog.
Oh, free.
Plus a Samantha father who tell him man I work, you know.
Oh. Jaja, no.
Yo, right now me all appreciate I did that man if you did, you know, dog.
Boy, John, no, brother. Jaja. So I did it, dog, you did.
What you mean? Then if a man can have money and me and cousin-in-law and the man a pre say $1,000 man give me $1,000 money, brother.
Ja.
What $1,000 can I buy?
1,000 I can't buy nothing still, no. Yes, sir. Unalive if you're unalive. But me I say still, I'm not really getting a phone thing still now. You see it? Because both of them are good youth to me still, you see it? Both of them are really youth to me still, and I'm not really getting on a family feud, you see it? But I know everything in a life where you sit on your outside, that go on where your mind not tell you, you know? Yeah, we just assess still, you understand? What does I say?
Yeah, me
You
understand.
can't
say,
do the
but
book by the cover still. You understand?
you
I
have
say?
to pray that way to, you know, say,
Mm.
when you don't get so much money from. No must feel money, dog.
Yeah, no.
I mean, yo, no, but I feel like say a bad man feel money.
No,
And,
me
see
no
me?
say none of that, dog. Me no say none of that, bro. Cause I must say, me no know you as them youth. You see it?
Yeah, and a bad man feel money, but me have to pray in a one way. I say, yo,
Yeah, no.
if I did me have you and a man ask me for a thing, how easy thing for me shall have 200 US out of that and give a
Yeah,
man.
we say that's $1,000 and give.
Brother,
Yeah, no.
you all too sound like you not able to believe me, dog.
Yeah, no. But, you know, boy, I don't really say I don't believe you still, but I just still I say, boy, more in life, you can't judge a book by cover. I just that me I say, I not pick up for no man still, you see it? Not pick up for no man still, brother, but you don't know. You see it?
Yo, that's one of them things. Me not even I say nothing to do. That's one of them things. Yo, big up yourself. Look at me.
Alright, yeah, man. Nobody do nothing, man, because I don't know. You see it? All the way I come from far, you see it, brother?
Yo, that's nothing, man. Look at me.
Alright, brother. Bad, bro.
Watcha. Yo, actually, me look over there and I see them, I know say there.
Me a come, me a father. Give me a second, here. Me a go in the back and forward. Me a come check you. Yeah. Yes, Jaja. What me tell her?
You know what I say, she said she was sending, she sending what's the receipt here, what's
So what's up me already, man? Get
oh.
everything already, man.
Oh.
Them people, you know, not each, you know. Mm-hmm.
Everything good.
Most things, you know. You know, so I want to think, I go down the road, go there, come on and get some gas. So I don't know more change still. You couldn't let me back 1,000 when I give you. When I reach on the
That
18.
the $1,000 I didn't end up give Mr. Richie and I told him I tell me saying birthday, but me now that the 1,000 I didn't give it. But me have a little change in my pocket change, man.
Don't know. It's alright, man. No pressure yourself, man. Yo, brother, you. No pressure yourself. I know say now. Pressure yourself, brother. You are going now. Boy.
No dog, it like something you want to say something to me, dog. What go on?
You have to watch where they're running in the youth. You have to watch where they're running in the youth.
Yeah, come on for that now.
Because you know, so someone just see man youth and don't know what go on in people's life, brother, and just take their life, so brother. Yo, Richie come check me a while ago. Richard say, you around in our community as I make money. And I share. And I said, boy, dead if you dead. And I say, hold on. And I say, suppose you ain't go say it to a skull of them. You know them you the head at. Suppose I never mean say it to.
Brother, man, really come on.
I rob the man, I'm good at pray for rob you and kill her right now, brother. Carefully out.
Bro, that the man, you know, man. It come like say me and the man or that come like a family, you know. Because I say, I'm your cousin there, you know. You understand? I'm your cousin there, so it come like say I'm and the man a family, bro. And the man really, I go say that.
Honestly, I couldn't even really face the man when me the man said that, my father. You know, say, all our lips, brother.
And you know, say, me see it, me see it on the man face when you say, so me take out the money. Me see man look, he look when he give me when time he give me $1,000. It's like him man a bad man me feel for US when you give me a year money, you know.
I'm not innocent man dollar prison right now, brother. This a situation now, I hate it to teach me, brother.
Bro, and that's why you see too much little swim around and run the place.
Family, careful. And one thing I'm going to tell you, you know, never make the closest people in your life see your Kyle. And when I say Kyle, you know, I don't mean say just money alone, you know. I mean say your success, your progress. Never make them see your Kyle, youth.
Yo.
You were dead for your own Kyle.
Alright, Mezman. Because
Can me even make him.
I didn't even know say the type of friendship for me
Yes.
having a dog.
Me even make him no wiser, my brother. You understand me? I say, I saw people dead, brother. My God, you.
Everything good, man. But you know, I go past to go wash up because I'm
Brother,
tired in a dog.
love and respect, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Cause yo, I saw some man turn funny man boy, yeah, you know, bro.
I no joke, bro.
In some of them man, they know most different from the little funny man them, you know.
I no
They
joke.
still gonna watch man things,
True,
you know, bro.
true,
I
true,
don't know how we get it, you know.
That's
Yo,
what you
yo.
said, bro. We connect up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Ah.
Daddy, I come to see you.
Yeah. Sure. I wanted to see you. Wow, no.
God.
Yeah, man. You
Daddy.
know we have to have a stock and you know this day was gonna come.
Daddy, from my ear, you said that you know, I'm no trouble. One no.
No trouble here, you know. Anyway, you know, say, Andre, I just cut it short. Yeah, just relax and hear me out. I know, say, you get deeply involved with him, right? But I don't think he's the right person for you.
What?
I don't think he's the right person for you. Me, I watch him, and to be honest with you, he don't look right, he don't feel right and stuff. He's not the person I want to be my son-in-law. I mean, look, I not sound harsh for you, but I mean, all of the other people, I mean, at this hotel, look what me create. It's all for you. You're my only daughter, my only child. And that guy, they're not right for you. May I tell you the truth? Andre, he's not right for you. Out of all everybody, you go pick up Andre.
Daddy, stop saying that.
I mean, just stop saying like that. But
What is so wrong with Andre?
him just not right, man. I don't like how he move. I don't know. I not just, honestly, most of the time when you're young, you know, we don't see what we are seeing because we've been there, we go through it. We can get a probability. 97% of female and male get together when them young. It never normally end up in a long run. You understand? I tell you. We can't sit through the guy. He's not right for you. I'm not thinking of him fit this whole criteria for just involved in our. I mean, look how him dress. Look. I mean, you were, outstanding in dress. Look at your attire right now.
Oh, God.
Since you meet him, it's like you just take a downturn. You have to represent us, man, represent the company.
Daddy, I don't like how you're talking. I really and
No,
truly
but-
don't like how you're talking.
Never know you're there.
Baby, stop. My daddy's here, baby, stop. Baby, my daddy's here.
Sorry. Oh,
That's what I'm talking about, though.
sorry, daddy. Sorry.
Sure.
Sorry. Babe,
That's
you must
what
say
I'm talking to you about.
we have some unfinished business. You must say we have some unfinished business.
You have to do what? You have to something here finishing up, man. Why is he here?
Daddy, we have something to do and he came for me.
But I want to talk to you specific right now. You see, we're having a conversation. He just come in
Andre.
disrespectful.
Daddy, I told him that I was here. We have and Andre, just stop talking now. You're just making things worse.
Have a little respect, man.
Andre, just stay outside, okay? I need to talk to my father about something. Give him a space now. Just wait for me outside.
You see? This is what I'm talking about? You see what I'm
Daddy,
talking about?
I know.
That is total disrespect.
Daddy,
I do not expect that. I'm not going to take that. I am not going to take that.
I am sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry about it.
You're going to be sorry so much time you're looking sorry. I am not going to take that. That is total disrespect.
Okay, Daddy, and I said,
Him say me, a man of my statue. See my daughter here and he come and hug up and do like that and behave that in front of me.
Yes,
That is
that was
total disrespect.
disrespectful.
Right. And there's a lot of it more you're going to get and me going to get it too. I don't like him. He is not right for you. So listen, if you want to continue in this organization which I build, you decide on what you want. But I have no part in it. Excuse me.
Daddy, but
Don't daddy me. Don't daddy me. Oi, Virgin, where are you? You know the rules and you're smoking on the job. You know that is not accepted.
You know, say I throw me there on my lunch break, my boss.
Lunch break. You know, say no smoking. You know this area, you know everything, but that is not acceptable. I'm sorry for you.
Watch out now. I'm sorry about that, man. As I'm saying, I throw me there on my lunch break, man.
You're sorry or you're sorry say you get catch? Which one?
Sorry, so me get it.
Me know say sorry you get catch. Yeah, where though? You see that thing out there, sir? I want you go in there and I want you bring it. Bring it in for me. Because you see, actually it's on the buoy almost on the other side of the people. So just go.
But sir, my lunch break not done it. My lunch break not done it. I still up on my lunch break.
And you catch you smoking and I say I go do something and you stand up here so come tell me that.
Alright.
Go and go do it. Let me tell you if you do.
Alright, sir. Yeah, sharp man. Go allow the man no sharp man. Arm to you. You see the boss send me for carry the boat. Arm to you. Go allow the man, man. See the boss tell you say. Arm to you. You see now. I could ask you tell the man say me out here about weed in a boy. And you could ask tell the man say me out here about weed, man.
What going on, my general?
What going on, my youth?
There, man.
Blessed?
Yeah, man. Everything good, man. I can't get a minute to reason with you.
No, man, I want to hear, man. Will I see it, man? I'm my generalist, man.
Yes, my general.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, man. What you say? In good, me can talk, no sure?
My boss is my view. Yeah, sir.
Alright, so here what going on now, my general. My cousin. They do want youth at work a hotel. And look like such a work a hotel. Man I hang bare US. Man different piece of food. So true me know say you're a specialty this. But if a boy have sitting you can take it. So that's why I can link you for show you badness, you see me? So you more than love you can take off a piece of money off of him. You see me? Because I go on like saying broke and he don't have no money. But after I see that episode call the brother, I tell you the truth, I know say I have money.
Which place him come from?
He live on the scheme on Shrewsbury, man. Okay. Yeah, man, and he work at hotel, man. And big and thick and brown. You see me?
Okay. You see me?
Yeah, man. So here, when you do dirt and get a piece of food, just make me get a thing out of it. You see me? And I don't want you to pre me and feel like you're a bad man, and thinking I'm a bad man. You see me? I'm a bad man. I just have to know say, if a boy I make a piece of money and you not share with who around him, money for get take away. You see me? Big up yourself, man. And just let me know what I'm saying.
We'll link you, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, cuz, what going? You know, say there's a little premiums I want to show you.
Alright, my day has to come.
Right, me I come on.
Oh, God. Cousin?
There, no, get up on.
A long time, I don't see you.
Chew.
What day I watch a good African show on my phone? Nothing.
If you drink this, now you.
Cuz, you not change. You not change. Wait, what make you come so, man? You not even know if I'm my juice.
Cuz, who else don't get some? And I must for you. I'm a thirsty man now far me I walk from.
You not change one bit. That's all me know. Anyways, what?
As me there tell you out this, I say, I have a little thing to tell you. You know, say, Andre a give a bundle.
My Andre.
Then which other Andre me
I
attack?
give me a bun. Cause nobody with the phone. Nobody with the phone. You know you don't really take on to him, but nobody come here so with that.
Listen, man. You know say me a liar. You know say me nah make up no story. Me see him with me 2 eye. The man a give you bun.
What exactly you see?
Listen, me have to tell you in the
No,
details.
I'm not saying I don't believe. I just ask you what exactly you see. I just want to make sure.
Me see him and one girl in one compromising position. You know say me nah make up story about him. Listen, man. A long time me a show you and I tell you say, you know, man. That you then you deserve you. Him broke. Your father have money and then you pick him up. Me and your cousin, you know, so me not tell no lie. But here, I know what you feel now about that now. Because at least you find one real way to get rid of them out of your life. But here I go now because differently still. You know, say a lot. But your face looks so a long time. Me like you still even know me and your cousin.
You see, this is why I can't believe it because you tell me this about Andre and now you come look because you not stop them some of them attack. Yeah, my cousin. Oh, you so nasty. You
Listen,
still come with them looking arguing. Me and your family we are blood.
yeah, but we are far cousin.
It no matter. We are family. As well we say family. What wrong with you?
We are far cousin, man. So I don't like say if me and you get into things and picnic happen and picnic come, nothing ever happen to you pick them. Because we are far cousin and no chang blood that.
You know, I'm going to put aside the Andre situation. I will deal with him later. Because stop the foolishness. Stop the foolishness. This is nastiness. I'm not going to tolerate at this point. I never want to deal with it. Look how long I'm going to chat to you. Months now because you and your foolishness. Every minute you look me. I don't like them sitting there, man. Them sitting there turn me off and make me not want them nowhere near you, man. I talk to you still.
Samantha, you know how much people in the community are cousin. And then they.
So what that have to do with me?
Yeah, but you're going like I know big deal.
Well, you know my
Listen,
type.
man, half around, so you know. They one of them a cousin.
Like me say, you
Get
know
all
my
pick me, you know.
That are them and for them
Alright.
business. You know my type.
Alright, load that. But still, me just did want to make you know. And then really look, me did come to look you.
But that at the end of it.
Yeah, but you know, as I say still, I really, your man, me just gonna show you a little thing. Because my cousin, I'm not supposed to see a man out a road that do a thing and I tell you.
But thank you. Me appreciate it. But you throw me off, man.
Alright, differently for looking you can't talk to your father, me can get a little work and I hotel for me.
What kind of work you want?
Yo, anything.
You know, you don't stay in one business too long, you know. Because the moment you get tired of one job, you move on to the next. You resign within 4 or 5 months or so.
Yeah, because if you work, then pay me right way and me go down there and I work out and I slave up myself. Me have to left you and find something else to do. You
so
see
what
me?
kind of position you want down there?
Anything, me will take any work down there, any work. Any work. Except entertainment coordinator. Because I be a little thing go on with the wedding, as a wedding, with the entertainment coordinator them. Wedding thing then you know say not too right. So me no want no entertainment coordinator work. But me take any little work down there, man. Anything.
Actually, you don't like to see people married because you know them.
No, me not say nothing about wedding coordinator, me say entertainment coordinator.
Me hear you. I understand. But you know like see weddings because
Well,
you know them loyalty.
Yeah,
Things
just talk to your father and if I don't just let me know.
Alright,
So just in case you want to give me your number, me can call you. And so if you get the word from your father.
You notice what you said a while ago? You want my number? You don't have my number for a reason. I don't want you to text my phone with your foolishness and send me nothing.
Alright.
But listen to me, I not promise you nothing. I will talk to him. If him decides he want to take care of him, take care of him.
Alright, talk to him.
Give me a number, me will keep it. When it's necessary for me to call him, I will call him, but I not give him number.
Yeah, man, I nobody call him on a black number either. No. Take me number.
Never right for call up on a black number.
295.
Wait, man. Let's sit in our load. 295.
Yeah. 75.
75.
90.
90.
Yeah, man.
May I save it, but I not text you, I not call you until it's necessary. You hear me?
Alright, do that.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man, later. Remember to call me.
When it's necessary.
boy, don't move. Bumbo. Chano dog. Bumba. Really you, Andre?
Dog, what is for dog?
Andre. Yo, come over here, sir.
What is some of you?
By what this? Suppose me not stop. Eh? Suppose me one of them done said bad man. I can't want to see who me I got to, you know. I want the blouse and skirt. Big man. You have a big it out on your head, you know. I mean, say a whole heap of food you have over here, so I come for the food, and I never know, say you, you know.
Bro, what kind of food, bro? I don't have money, my youth. And you know this too. What kind of food? Who can tell you that? Who can tell you them listen about me have food, yes, bro?
Yo, a man pull up on my ends the other day, brother. Play that, know me and my brethren. And the man come and tell me now, say, oh, one brother upon the scheme, have a piece of food, I'm going to go feed. And you don't know, man, things stay already. I step out and say me I come for the food. And say, oh, my daddy say me I look on the person and walk in. And I say, I'm uncertain, but the walk look suspicious. I so comes, I say, I draw closer before I pull the trigger, you know. Lo and behold, I'm a high school bridging to Bombard. Dog, how far we are come from, you know.
Bro, and that, who couldn't tell us such things, bro? Eh? So me have money over here.
You don't know your enemy them.
Hotel work, you know. And you know, say hotel money not good, bro. So oh, somebody can come tell you that. Me could have even could have dead you know that.
I tell you some man, if me I did one of them look up happy now, newborn and the thing is a good thing, is a season taker. As for cause me come cross and a easy, I look pan who me I go for. Brother, Andre, I swear to you, you're gone a while ago. But hear me I say no man. Man I don't really know informer in the streets, you know, and call you, man. Brother make me all tell you this, you know. Yo, man, Richie put out the food pan here, you know.
Richie?
Just hold it down, no man, and that I say.
I see him so other day, you know, dog. Me nigga Dre link me and tell me about Richie, you know. And me not even did pay no attention to it, you know. Not even know say I saw him man and really devious, bro, and take things serious, my youth. Till he want to send man to come rob me and kill me, dog.
Brother, the man I pray hard.
The money when man send me with, you know. And the nigga Billy also with some money, you know. Him give me money for go for hardware because he wants some new material coming.
Sure.
And look how me could have dead, dog. It's a good thing say I know one of them type of man there. And say if me I did one of them type of man there now. But I just go in the utmost debt and get money and pay for killing back, you know. And show me no want them blood upon me, you know, dog.
Oh. What you do, you know. But all I can tell you is take sleep, mark that, and watch your back. Because them streets are cold out there. You know what I say? They
Yo,
front too
yo,
long, you know.
just
Yeah,
take
man.
respect.
I'm here from high school. Nah, stop your saying no. Big up yourself.
Respect, dog.
We in the streets.
Me feel nervous, dog. Me I tell you.
Just hold up your head, man.
Yo, respect, bro. Respect.
Yeah, man. For the head.
What's wrong? You look like that.
Anywhere I come from, go on back. And any woman here I come from, go on back. Yeah.
What is for?
What is for? Richie come visit me today. I know my cousin all lie to me. Richie tell me say him see you with him 2 years them him text you. I know you cheat for me. Him not tell no lie. You give him bun? Answer my question.
You cuckoo? Are you alright? Eh?
Andre.
You gotta tell me say Richie. Tell you say you see me with woman. And you believe, you take what Richie say and believe it.
Andre, I believe my cousin.
You believe your cousin?
Yeah, I really believe say you fool around for me. I believe my cousin.
You believe your cousin?
Tell me the truth. You cheat for me.
Babes, he's just as mad as Richie. Let me tell you the truth. You tell me about Richie see me with woman. I lie Richie I tell. And you know so Richie a liar. You know that. You're lucky you even there so I talk to me right now. You say if I never feel the person will be and me have good friends on road, I dead me dead. Cause you know you not even know so Richie set up man for kill me.
Stop it right there, sir. I
Stop
told
it right there, sir.
him come tell me say yeah cheat. No matter come with that lie. Stop it right there, sir. You not for make up them kind of lie there.
You really believe someone that really come slung in front of you right now and tell you such lie?
We are talking about Andre. My cousin set up man for kill you. For what reason?
Richie tell the man say me have money. He see me with money which was never my money. I did Dre give me a money for go a sub and he see me beg me $1,000 and he see me with money and him bad money. And set up man for come rob me. Where did they? Where did they when you other day? You never there?
This sound crazy. This sound ridiculous.
Ridiculous?
Richie.
Ridiculous? If me did have a bad heart, me would have make a nigga kill Richie. I true me say me know say me your death and your family and me say you know me no want that the blood they palm me. You want a wicked boy and that? Eh? You think me no know say even you as in cousin him a look you? He think in the street.
You know say it makes sense even from the part where you say him a look because right after him tell me say him see you with woman. Right? Him start to look me and me not tell you that it is so disgusting because Richie for understand say me and him a family.
A family run business them there.
I should have jump and believe Richie, you know? Because everything come into play right now. Everything where I say makes sense. Why would he set up man for kill? So why Richie would automatically think say you have money like that? I true.
Bad. You see me now?
True, me get the job for up on my father hotel, you know. At that. What I got about that situation? Andre, I'm sorry, I jump to conclusion. I never should have done that. I should have talked to you first.
Babe, listen to me now. You're a big woman. And you're supposed to know better. You can't make Richie come tell you certain things. Anybody around can't come tell you anything, you know. I saw people around stay. Then just see you. They not even see you in this situation. They not even know how going. They will just see you with anybody and just assume say are there and there. I just assume say are your girlfriend. Are your man.
Richie's
You don't feel like say people see me and I try to tell me things boy. You think me process it? Cause I'm bigger than that.
But you know me another type. Oh please, you know me not stay so. Me not cheap on you. I'm not that type of person. But Richie I get from bad to worse. I'm gonna know what we are gonna do about that situation, you know. Because him go as far as to get man for kill you. My man. This can't go so.
You're messing. As me say, if me did have them out there, him dead. But me no want them the blood depart me. You understand? I'm not that type of man there.
Cause,
Yeah, cuz, what on?
you know, say you may come check though.
So what you doing my son? Come round, man.
Alright.
Come make son bunny up.
Wait. Can't bother you no man. Sure.
Uh-uh.
What just for family like one was? How in a fear yard so? Girl. No, me not alright.
What you mean?
Me stress out man, me want one job. You can't ask your father to line up and work for me down there.
Candy, Jano.
Please me I beg you because he have enough vacancy down there available right now mood mind. Me no care when you want give me for do, me just want a job. I really want some money to do something. Me have whole heap of things to do. If you ever know the amount of things that me have to sort out, girl, me and your cousin, you must can line up for me. Please.
Candy, me not say no, you know, but a whole heap of people that come to me. And you know the worst thing? A big family that come to me. Far cousin. and other friends.
What you mean? What you mean far cousin and other friends?
Candy.
Well, act like me and nothing then.
Candy.
Making line up is sitting for me.
Candy, the whole of our family, but most of my cousins are coming.
Me and father know nothing. Just act like me and nothing neither. And me want to work, man. Me desperately need of a job.
Me go ask him for you, but me just say, me no want
Then,
nobody
no,
else
you're just
come to
talking.
me.
You just attack. Ask him for me. Please.
Me ask him, me just don't want nobody else come to me. I too much, man. And every week, every
Girls.
week somebody come here. And when me think so, wanna come look for me, wanna come and ask me for get job phone. So basically, it's not even genuine, so no reason.
Look here, me can't look for you. Me and not them, me and not Uno. Me is me. I am Candy. I me stand up right here. So me and your cousin and friend for a long time. Stop mixing me up with the rest of your family then. If you do a thing for me, my girl, you just do it for me.
Richie come on me here the other day, come look for me. Give me bad news, say, oh, him say Andrea cheat on me. Not to mention the fact, say, he might look up on top of that, this is why I don't deal with him, because every time him come around me, he might look me, and it's disgusting as hell, because me and my family, I may get really annoyed. Not to mention, when me confront Andrea about this cheating thing, Andrea mentioned to me, say, he must get money from Dre. And I think Richie must say come beg him money and him say him nah have it. So I don't know if it trigger him off or whatever, but right after that, man stick up Andre for kill him. Richie tell man say Andre have money.
Right? You really said to me?
Yeah. Richie tell man say Andre have money and set up man for rob him and kill him and take away money.
Well, me sorry for hear.
A police may call.
At the end of the day, we could,
No, of course police are got involved in this.
No.
Him heartless can be.
Cause, listen this now. Me know say heartless, but you have to give and take. Just give him a chance. Remember say we cousin, no call no police for Richie. Please, me I beg you. Me I go talk to him. Do.
Candy, you're just as bad, you know. You're just as bad because at the end of the day, a life and death situation. What if him they make the man them kill Andre? You can tell me our cousin.
No. Hold on. Me understand. A matter of fact, me understand what you're trying to say to me. But listen, just listen me out. Listen, please. Our family, we and Richard, his cousin. We and Richard, a cousin girl. When you take this as Sydney and no one care what police station, go land statement, you go tell them about this and tell them that you don't know so them a come for him and everybody start talk about we as a family. It don't look bad for we at the end of the day, so you can't do it, no call no police for him.
I know my family. now.
I understand. You see, we set up nation. When we get ignorant, we don't want to forgive not even the dog nor the drunkard, much as we want a family. But please, me I beg you, do. Our family, I don't say your family. We don't say our family. Actually, you get ignorant when you vex about what you do, which me understand. But calm down a little bit and think about it. Nobody call no police for him.
Kenny, you talk to him, but me cut him off completely.
All right. All right, guess what? All right, please, me I beg you, cut him off, but no call no police for him. Yeah, me deal with him. Nobody call no police for him. Me can't take no more problem, Jesus. Me want one job now, Richie go to prison and my cousin. So when me I go get money now, I remember say me rely upon him, I depend upon me for me come visit him. Because no go want visit him at prison. And me not working. When me go give him, just go look for him. You want him right down there? You're not fit stay so.
Take him up as your responsibility, but me not
but you think evil now. Right now where you just say worse than Wayne do. Or close to it because you want your own cousin for running in a prison. You can't do that, girl.
Can I don't talk about it.
Not do that. Anyway.
I don't talk about
Anyway, remember when you tell us if you ask your father about me, you hear? Because I'm desperately need it. I'm going to take a run here now. Please, me beg you, remember. And just forgive him, man. And we cousin. Do me a beg your cousin. Don't bother go on someone.
Come
back and check you one of them day. Just call me on the phone and tell me, say you nah go.
Me nah go.
Alright, you make up your mind. You're not going to police station. You sure?
Me nah go.
Alright, thanks. Do me a beg you, not do it. Nobody can tell me say you not do it and then go do it, you know. Nobody do it. Later, here.
Yeah, go on.
Alright, later. Nobody make a neighbor them hear about it.
That's a family.
You're a big boss. Oh, go on.
Ready.
You don't say link me can link you. But the thing on the line up upon.
thing you talk about?
I must have line you up and my cousin man to take off a piece of cheese off of him. So I come check about get for me.
No, man. What that same little thing over there talk about the other day. Right, that's some broke man they send me running pan, you know. Man, you know, enough food, my youth.
Bro, I mean say man not the money. Bro, me tell me line up a straight link for you. If you go take off the food and you come tell me say man not have the money. A style thing in that, brother. A style thing in the pan, you know.
Thing. Yo, humble your voice when you in my quarters, man. I tell you, say the man nah no money. A broke man that. Me run in pan man the other day, my youth, and I would dig up the place. Nothing other there. Man, you know where you get the evidence or your information from, but that no, it no concrete, my youth. You hear me say, man? Yeah, disturb my reasoning, you know. Just go on. The man nah no money. Lego boy.
Yo, brother, take man for fool now. In time man line up solid link for no for make money no go on like one style man. And style the thing. Yo, brother, that you see me saying man, I don't want like a soft soap and like a walk over you feel like you can.
Hold on. How you talk to?
A fool don't take man fine, brother. I mean, man not even say, yo, a matter of fact, just watch what I go on. You see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know what I say? He has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give you that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and there is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, him can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
All right. If you are hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you have watched the video to the end. Someone of us said big up and thank you very much for watching the video to the end. It's always a pleasure to create this content. We know we have not been getting the type of views on the videos that we hope we would have been getting in terms of the subscriber count that we have, but nonetheless, we thank the person for your support we are watch. So here we are going to do for get more views on the videos. We get more views on the videos. Share them up, man. Share them up to your family, share them up to your friend, especially on WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp status, click the link where mark share and share it up to your friends and man. Share it up on your Facebook account. You know what I say? Put it on your status on Instagram. Make people know more about the channel. Because we are growing. We are almost at 180,000 subscribers, and we appreciate every single person who have ensured so you know put in the support for me to reach us. So we soon but soon we want to start work on something for the big screen. Everything align itself. We're not rush it. We just go through the process and make it happen. Also, one of the things that we have launched recently is the website, richardbrownfilms.com. It's where we are putting some of the content on. Look by look, we get all of them over there, so you can watch them without having to worry about advertisement and so forth. So head on over to the website and click the part where it says sign up. Sign up free for now until we actually start charge $3 per year. But sign up and show some support so we can make the thing grow. And also want to say big up to every single person. We always reach out to it. Make sure someone send a donation. We love you. We appreciate it. For the persons them like Dr. Jack and all the other persons who are always on board and always championing us, and we want to say thank you. And remember to link up Dr. Jack, man. Head over to Instagram, find him, make him know you're interested in the product. For those who don't know what the product is all about, it's something for the sexual enhancement. So big up on yourself. Continue to support until the next video. Alright? Big up.